So we up at the scrapyard. We just bringing in a small load, nothing big. Mostly aluminum. Got Jessie with me over here drinking Monster Energy drink like it's sweet tea. So, yeah. Yeah, that all I have is aluminum. That's why I decided to come to you first.
Is that all that you have?
Yeah, just that.
So not irony, aluminum.
All right, thank you. Ooh, it is wet out here. Oh man, how deep is it? Any of the extrusion that is not irony, I will take out so we don't give them pretty much free. Watch your foot, Jessie. So while I have y'all on here, and it looks like I'm gonna be digging and organizing for a little bit. I have turned on members, which means you could sign up and pay monthly to become a member. Well, by doing so, you will be entering yourself into prize winning sweepstakes kind of thing. So twice a month I will pick at random a winner out of the members group, and they will receive 10% of all profit we made that month. And so it could be anywhere from, because I'm gonna do it twice a month, on the 15th and on the 30th, or the last day. But so it could be anywhere from 100 to 200 to 300 per win. So it's definitely going to be something to get into. Membership fee is only like $7, I believe it was, for the month. So, and also those silver coins y'all seen, right? Y'all see me find in the dumpster. I'll be giving those up as a reward. I'll actually be doing that for anybody that signs up before this month ends. So, yeah, I think we did the calculation. If I would have done it this month, it would have gotten, whoever would have won it would have gotten close to 300 on the first one, and I think it was like 450 on the second one. So it's a high thing, mainly because I want to give back some of the, not give back, but I want to share the wealth, as you would say it. And but I don't want to make sure that the people I'm giving it to are the ones that are actually supporting my channel, because I've seen other ones and talked to other YouTubers where they're saying that there's people that'll jump on only during the reward videos or the contest videos and stuff like that, just to try to become a winner. Not because they want to support the channel, not because they care about what's going on. It is purely just to get in and get the reward, which eliminates the chances of people that are there to support the channel. So the way I see it is, if you become a member, you are supporting it, and it makes it where I am giving the people that are supporting my channel's growth the chance at winning some good money. So yeah. But yeah. what I'm doing now is throwing out pieces that are either mixed with a whole bunch of this stuff and it's not coming off, or stuff that has a ton of metal on it, because it would be considered light irony. And yeah, let the stuff come off. I'll throw it over there as how do you put it? I'll throw it over there as clean aluminum. That way it doesn't get mixed up with this irony stuff. That pretty much looks like it, so onwards.
What are we doing?
Clean aluminum.
Clean extrusion?
I just got that piece in there too, and the nose.
Alright.
And then this.
Well, this is extrusion.
Okay. Oh, I forgot one. Oops. Yo, I literally threw about 60 pounds of it.
We're gonna put this.
Yeah, I dropped like 60 pounds of extrusion over there.
I don't want to overload the void, so
Yeah.
that's why we'll put
Well, I put it all on the other side of that pile.
pile.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll clean it. How you been?
Good, good. Just been busy trying to finish up that house.
Hey, I guess you've got another one. That might be brass.
That is brass, so y'all get that one for free. That's a whole like 10 cents of brass right there.
That's all from SpaceX.
With all these wires?
Yep. SpaceX. That's Elon scrap right there.
Man, who be bringing this stuff to y'all?
What?
I said, who be bringing all this to y'all?
That's from SpaceX. We go out there.
Oh, y'all go out there and pick it up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a lot.
You get Elon scrap.
Oh, there's the last one.
How many subscribers you at now?
2,500.
200 behind you. That stuff's gonna go.
Yep, just waited for you to clear it.
Yep. Hey, you just out there and wait, right?
I went and weighed back out from the dirty. What, did she weigh me back in?
Yeah. I'm like, $25. What?
Yeah, because she asked me if I was done. I said, no, I still have clean aluminum. So I think she thought she was supposed to weigh me back in.
I think that.
Okay. Dirty. I don't know if that's aluminum or if that's brass. Some of those are brass. I don't have nothing to grind the inside with. Hey Jeff, is that brass in the middle? You said the cores are like that are brass sometimes.
That one.
Oh, so it's only every once in a while?
Those are the older vehicles have the brass heater cores. This is aluminum.
I don't know, I can't cut the inside. Well, ain't the outside steel?
No. Yeah, I took care of it. He's in here. It's all clean aluminum. I'm gonna have a contest like what Nacho does and the package tracker. You know, I'm gonna, you know, how many of this?
Well, I'm doing that, but I literally just started that.
Well,
Only,
I'm either gonna do weed eaters,
but
hands,
what
or chairs.
What I'm doing has nothing to do with how many. Guess how many? If they're a member, they automatically get entered. And it's just gonna be a random. What's up?
What's up, buddy?
God, it's been forever.
Just thinking about you the other day. Like, whatever happened to that
Yo, you still live over there?
guy? No, my dad sold that house.
You gotta end it now.
Nah, it's good.
I haven't figured out how to bleep out stuff yet.
I don't bleep it out either. I just eliminate it.
Oh, you clip it? What are you doing?
Well, I know I clip it, and then after you clip it, hit where you see the words talking. You'll see little lines. Hit it and draw down, and it eliminates the sound.
Because I overflowed the I overfilled the overflow last week, and it was the
I'm gonna knock this down, so I might as well put that there for you. Hey, do you want that?
yeah.
You collect tags. It goes with a tag. All right. Clean. You want to throw that in behind you. Brass. Ooh.
All right.
Yeah. You clear on that? Let me see.
It's on
Yeah.
one.
One.
One. Right, that's all the clean aluminum, probably.
Hold on. I think I got another piece of brass. Yeah.
brass. That's cool. Yeah. What is that?
We're old liquor from that house I cleared out.
Ah, jeez.
Alright, there's 2 lanterns for you.
Yeah, those are awesome.
I had a clock too that I was gonna give you, but
They are amazing.
I don't know what happened to the clock, so.
You keep all the wire?
Yeah, because I still gotta cut it. Hey, Jessie. Jessica. Bring me my old shirt that's in there, the one that doesn't smell like gas. And there's more brass.
Why?
Someone threw broken glass in that damn thing again.
More stitches?
Don't cut your hand.
Thanks for the advice.
Are you going to clean that piece?
What, this? No.
Yeah, well, that's twice now you've done.
It's because I can't see it with this. Huh?
Can I see?
Yeah, you can tell me how bad it is.
Where?
I don't know.
Don't you cut yourself again?
I don't know. Someone threw glass in my bed. I never put glass in there.
I don't see it.
Oh, you're fine. That's nothing like
Yeah, I don't. No, the other one before.
Yeah, it was bad.
There it is.
Oh.
Yeah, the other one where I had to have stitches and everything. But see, I don't put glass in there, so I usually don't look for it.
I've got that same air compressor.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what runs my plasma cutter.
But yeah, no. So members, right? I'm gonna put them in a drawing for 10% of all profit I make. Right, and silver coins and stuff like that will be rewards.
That's cool.
So if they're a member, they automatically go in for the drawing, and I'll do that twice a month.
Never offered that. I don't even know how to do that.
Well, I figured because anybody could jump in and be like, hey, this number. That don't mean they're watching your videos. That means they're just doing it to get in there for the rewards. That ain't helping the people that sit there constantly and watch your videos and support your videos. So I needed a way to find out how to give them the stuff, nobody else. So if they're willing to become a member, that means they're supporting my channel at least one way or another.
What would this be?
We don't buy cans.
Man.
Yeah, he don't buy cans. But see,
COVID.
all right, onwards. Alrighty, how y'all doing? So we are done. We are weighed out. We made $86 on this run, which is pretty decent. Like I said, we're gonna do a drawing for the members of the channel, and in that drawing we will actually be giving away this $86 and 2 silver dollar coins, pure silver, or well, 90% silver. All you have to do to be entered is be a member. That's it. Not a subscriber, a member. So you go in, you pay your $7 a month, that makes you a member, and I'll put your name in the drawing, and if you win, you win. I'm gonna do 3 drawings. You could win all 3, but I'm gonna do 3. So one for the $86, one for one of the silver dollars, and another one for another silver dollar. So there will be 3 chances of you winning. And that would be on the, how many days on this month, Jesse? Give me a second, y'all. I'm gonna check up on the calendar.
3 more days.
So the 31 days?
What do you mean?
Is there 31 days or 30?
30.
So there's 3 more days. Okay, so 3 more days. So this price amount may go up. But there's 3 more days in the month, and we will announce the winner on the 1st. We will videotape us doing the drawing or the drawings, and this, remember, you could win 3 times in a row. So as of right now, there is no members. So if you become a member and nobody else does, you're an automatic winner for all 3. So that's that. If there ends up being only 3 winners or 3 members, I'm gonna just draw them for the individual prizes. So we'll end up giving all 3 members a prize. If we go over 3, then we'll do the drawing as whoever gets it, and you win, you win. But please remember,
We could write their names on paper, put it in the bucket.
yeah, yep, that's exactly what I'm planning on doing. That's the fairest way, is just put it in and drawing. And I'll probably have you or one of the other kids pull it out of the bucket or the hat, or
Me.
we'll put it in the brass bucket, because we're a recycler. Might as well put it in something we like. So just remember to please like and
Subscribe.
we'll catch you next time. Bye bye for now.